Subsequent to the last release of Engine Driver, I've done a little more work on the methods for switching between throttle screen types and a little more work on the preferences. So it's just a quick video to go through that. So if I connect to my local server, I've currently got the default throttle screen type showing. So if I select a couple of logos, something with a few more buttons. Okay. So nothing unusual. So if I go into the preferences now, these have been changed slightly to make it a little more obvious which ones are actually open up a secondary set of preferences, and ones that actually affect the status bar have the little icon showing beside it. So I'll just bring up one of those to additionally show what's going on, but I'm primarily looking at this throttle switch button preference option. So if I go into there, I've got an option to turn on a button on the status bar. So if I go back out and have a look, I can see that's that power button I turned on, and this is the new button that I'm looking at. Power button works exactly as before, but we've just updated the icons to make them a little more consistent. So now when I click on this, it flicks between two throttle screen types. So the defaults are the normal or default throttle screen type and the switching shunting throttle screen type. So I can easily work between the two. I've just switched between, and I can work back again. And I can switch on demand. If I go back into those preferences, I can have a look and I can see that I can change which ones it switches between. So let's say I change the first one. Let's say I just want to work on the vertical throttles. So that's the twin vertical. So if I come out, I can see that if I hit the button, there's my vertical 0 to 100 options, and there's my 100, 0, minus 100 options, and I can flick between them at will. That's it. Thanks.